Out of movie play. Can you give me that description one more time?
Alright, suspects on the west side of the freeway. North side was on Virginia. Black shirt, black shorts.
No, black shirt?
North side of the street.
Right here.
Walking eastbound back towards you. He's right at the lip of the freeway on the west side.
Let me see your hand!
Hey, drop that! Drop what you have!
Down toward the officers that are posted underneath. Alright, yeah.
Drop it!
Something with his hand. Back toward the officers.
Hey, drop that! Drop it! Drop what you have! Drop it!
Let me see your hands!
Hey, drop that!
Hey! Let me see...
Sir, go back! Tom, deal with that. Deal with him over there. Deal with him over there. Get him back. All right, leave the weapon where it's at. Let's hook him up. Has anyone requested an RA yet?